Hi, Beau Nagan here, Teufelberger Ambassador. Today we're going to talk about the skyHOOK. It's our new tool storage device, and it's got a lot of cool new options. We have interchangeable gates where you can change between your wire gate closure and your no gate option. You can install it on both the treeMOTION or any other harness on webbing between 25 and 45 millimeters, and all the parts are interchangeable, so we're going to have replacement parts for anything, so it's going to be a real sustainable device. We're really excited about this new product line coming out with Teufelberger. Now we're going to talk about how to properly install the skyHOOK. So you have your torque wrench that comes with your treeMOTION that works both with our open rings and with our skyHOOK, and you're just going to simply unscrew this plate. Should be really easy installation. Got to unscrew it a little bit more here so I get it going. Might as well keep using the tool. All right. Take off the plate. Go ahead and set it aside. And then any of your attachment points here on your treeMOTION, you're going to go ahead and put it behind the webbing strap and all the way around. Put it all the way down to the bottom. You're going to want to make sure it's all the way at the bottom and not through this hole, because otherwise you'll get a poor interaction with your webbing strap there. Then we're going to take our plate, and we're going to go ahead and install that in here and line it up with our attachment hole. And then we just take our screw with our torque on it, put it back on. Going to go ahead and get it in there and install it. Get it started. Should screw in nice and easy. Firm it down. Don't over tighten it. Nice and snug. We're ready to go. Simple. Now that we have our skyHOOK installed, we're going to go ahead and change it over from our wire gate to our open gate. We're going to use our same torque tool that we used to install that for our top screw. And right here we have a retaining screw on the top that we're going to go ahead and unscrew. Very simple. Take that off. Then once that's nice and loose, take the screw out. We can just slide it sideways, just like that. Comes off nice and easy. We're going to take our plate for our open hook configuration, slide it right back into place, put the screw back on. Go ahead and take our tool. Yet again, we're going to snug it down, just like that. Hand tight. We're ready to go. Now we have it set up for our open gate configuration. It's just that easy. We've got a multi-sling here, and I'm going to go ahead and clip that on. And then you have the shelf up top here, so you can go ahead and flip that up to kind of organize your gear on the skyHOOK. And then I'm going to go ahead and take my little cambium saver here and clip that on. And now you can see how it neatly organizes multiple different tools. And then yet again, if you prefer the open hook, you can just go ahead and use that as well. It's also really easy for hanging a chainsaw on and getting it on and off without having to deal with a wire gate if that's what you prefer. So yet again, like our treeMOTION and a lot of our line, our goal is to be customizable and have replacement parts for all of our tools, so we have a good sustainable line that's functional and works great for everybody. And if you'd like to know more about our products, follow us on social media and go to our website, and you can find a lot more information on our entire product line.